Okay, everybody, this is just a quick roundup of the Artistry Studio Tokyo Collection that will be launching on March 11th. So I just want to do one quick overview of each product that will be launching because I am super excited about it. So we are going to start with, once again, we're going to start with the Correct and Perfect Face Palette. Again, this has the mirror. It has the correcting, so any spots that you want to hide, cover up, anything like that. And then the lilac, or remember for the darker tones, you've got the peachy color here. Those are for brightening any spots of your face. So again, in the bottom, you have your sponge and you just go through and take care of whatever you want to take care of. And then under that is your foundation. So this is a cream to powder foundation. It is color correcting, so it will go along. There's 5 shades, so you pick one that's closest to your skin tone and it will work with your skin tone. So anyway, this is the Correct and Perfect palette. We also have the Oh So Cheeky blusher in 3 different shades. We've got the coral, nude, and pink. So here are our three different shades here. I think you can see them. And on the top of your product is a mirror. This is so cool. This is your sponge applicator right here. And all you do is push. So you just tap it on your face to apply the product. The product comes right through the sponge and then you just blend. You've got your mirror so you can see exactly what you're doing and making sure you look gorgeous. So this is your Oh So Cheeky blusher in 3 different shades. We also have, of course, the eye and lip beauty boxes. We have 2 different shades. This one, we've got some really fun blues and purples and pinks. So these are your eye shades. These are your lip shades right here. So, and on the back, remember once again, it tells you exactly where each thing should go, how it should look. So for those that don't even know how to apply makeup, here you go. This is your roadmap. So that's one of them. And then the other shades, more neutral shades, are right here. We've got our pinks and our browns and our golds. And then of course our lip shades are here. So that is that. Then from there, one thing, oh my gosh, so excited. We've got our Power Brow Pen right here. It comes in 2 different shades. We've got light brown and dark brown. See the shades down here? And a very unique tip applicator. So it's kind of like a magic marker. So it's got the tip to draw your brow in, however you want to shape it that's what you use the tip for. And then you can see the jagged edges. That's how you are going to draw in the real looking hair, and you're gonna fill in your brows. So that's what you're doing here. And so you can absolutely shape, brush, color, and that is giving you the tattoo effect of microblading without spending the amount of money that you would spend and the amount of time you would spend for microblading. So these are fantastic for your brows. And then on to your Jelly Plumping Lip Tint. So these are your plumpers. If anybody is looking into plumping their lips or having more full, beautiful lips, we have 2 shades. You can tell one's more of an orangey red and this one here is more of like a fuchsia, pinky red. And they're tints, so they go on very light. It looks intimidating, but they go on very light. You apply it, let it set for 15 seconds, and then you can put more on if you want, but they're hydrating and they're plumping. So it is going to give you more fuller looking lips. So we've got these 2 that are coming out. And then finally, we have the refreshing Yuzu fragrance mist and the sweet Sakura fragrance mist. So the Yuzu and the Sakura, okay? And these are water-based. These are super hydrating. They have green tea extract in it, lotus water, spring water, all in here for hydrating your body and obviously smelling good, but you can also spray it in your hair and it makes your hair smell nice, your whole body will smell great. And so that's what these are. So launching March 11th, this is the entire Tokyo collection and I couldn't be more excited. So stay tuned. The launch is going to happen on the 11th. You will hear from me when it is live, and I can't wait to see what products you're excited about, what products you want to get your hands on as soon as possible, and I can't wait either. So talk to you later. Y'all, I can't believe I forgot this one. I'm doing my roundup and I knew I was missing something, and of course it was the Artistry Studio Oh So Colorful Mascara. You can't forget this. How do you forget this? Come on. Look at blue mascara. So also, just quick roundup, you've got your mascara as well. It helps intensify volume. And don't forget, there's two shades. You've got the blue and you've got the brown. The brown has gold in it, so that can be worn straight up on its own. Brown mascara with some gold sparkles in it. How pretty is that? And then the blue, you can rock it out on its own as well. You can just totally get after the blue mascara on its own, or let it complement your black, where you're just doing your regular mascara and you're just putting the blue right on the tips of your lashes, just for a little something extra for all my extra friends out there. So that's it. That's the collection. March 11th. Get ready. Artistry Studio Tokyo.